My name is Kuben, and I'm the coordinator of Ward 51 in Phoenix. That shows that we in Encounter with Sizwe, we've come together noticing that there's only one man that can unite this country and this province. We're here to march to bring back our province back to KZN. We don't want to be robbed, we want our votes back. So therefore we own KZN in the terms of votes, and therefore the multiple party, the party that had the most votes, should be rolling this to KZN. We're also speaking against corruption in KZN, which has kept people and kept the youth from getting jobs. Corruption has eaten away at the very fibers of our society, and therefore we want to make the statement today that MK has had enough of just laying down. We're saying to the governments, we're saying to everyone that's hearing today that we want our province back. Thank you.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you.